Take the aluminum and copper strip and attach it to the container. Then, fill the two containers with vinegar. While filling, my partner Rainer took the aluminum and copper strip and connect one of the ends of both the strips using a connecting wire. And then, put the copper strip that has aluminum and aluminum to the copper. Ensure that the strips do not touch each other. Place them across from each other, not side by side or overlapping in the cup. Attach one lead wire to one metal strip by opening the alligator clip and closing it on the strip. Then, attach a different lead wire to the other metal strip again using the alligator clip. And attach the LED light bulb into the wire using the alligator clips. You'll observe that the LED lights starts glowing. When the plates are inserted into the container with vinegar, acetic acid presented in vinegar makes a chemical reaction take place. Metal atoms are held together by electrical attractions between the nuclei and the electrons around the atoms. When you place a strip of metal in a container of vinegar, the vinegar molecules interact with the metal atoms on the surface of the strip at the interface between the vinegar and the metal. Some of the metal nuclei are attracted to the negative sides of the vinegar molecules. This attraction makes it easier for a metal nuclei to leave one or more of its electrons behind the metal strips and migrate away from the strip into the vinegar. The strip is left with a very small negative electric charge because it now has one less positive nucleus in it. This tiny charge does not pull very much of the metal ion that has left the strip. In fact, that iron metal atom with one or more electrons missing is quickly surrounded by the vinegar molecules, whose negative side is attracted to the positive metal ion. This blanket of water molecules spreads out the positive charge over a large area, making it even less attracted to the metal strip. This is a very important temporary effect, and the metal ion is usually gets attracted back to the strip very quickly. But since there is an enormous number of atoms on the surface of the metal strips and an enormous number of metal ions are in the vinegar, at any given time, the metal strips end up with quite a few more electrons than the metal nuclei. This gives the strip a slight negative charge if one metal strip has more electrons than the other one does. Those electrons will flow from the first strip to the second one until they both have the same charge. But to flow the electrons, need a conductive path. We give them that path when we connect the two strips of different metals with a wire. Then, the electrons flow through the wire, creating an electric current, so the LED glows.